This country is under attack. Yesterday at 5 p.m. Niger launched a full-scale attack on Yobe State. This attack was unprovoked and absolutely unacceptable. Niger will be met with the full force of the Nigerian army. For now you are ordered to stay in your home. Go outside and collect food and water for your family before 4 p.m. today. Anyone caught outside will be accused of working for the Niger army and will be prosecuted. Remember to stay safe during these difficult times. This is the end of this emergency broadcast.